The Tina2S HEPHI3D WiFi 3D printer offers seamless wireless printing through its innovative app, making it exceptionally user-friendly for beginners and tech enthusiasts alike. Its open-source compatibility with popular software like Cura and PrusaSlicer allows for extensive customization and creative freedom in model design. Designed for a quiet work environment, the printer operates at a low noise level of 40 to 50 decibels, ensuring minimal disturbance while delivering fast print speeds. The auto-leveling bed and resume printing feature enhance user convenience by eliminating manual adjustments and allowing for continuous printing even after a power interruption. With its heatable platform and advanced cooling system, the printer ensures high-quality prints and reduces the risk of nozzle clogging, making it reliable for detailed projects. Compact yet versatile, this 3D printer serves as an excellent gift choice for all ages, suitable for a wide range of applications, from education to creative DIY projects.